¿Qué es eso, tío?
What did Kyler get you? It's from David, Renee, and Kyler. What do you say to you? What do you say? What do you say to Uncle Dave? Oh my goodness. Do you love it, Gia? What is it?
A tractor?
A tractor?
Can you open this?
Okay, we'll open that. That is so cool. You say thank you, Uncle Dave.
Thank you, Uncle Dave.
And thank you, Aunt Renee.
Thank you, Renee.
And thank you, Kyler.
Thank you, Kyler.
Good job.